Yeah, so this is the heat tape what we use when we do the consometric twist, and we want hold the consometric twist. This we use heat resistant tape, and then we're gonna use the heat resistant card. You have a card after you put the tape over it. We use a card. I have the card, but may not have it presently, but may have it. So that helps strengthen the harness as well. And then I have the labeler and the labeler cartridge, or what you call them. And then we have the adhesives. So that is the label, that is the clear adhesives that once you put on the label and you put over the clear adhesives, shrink tube, waterproof, oil proof, gas proof, heat proof. It will stay there for decades. So stay tuned and just check in on the Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Just check in. Walk racing engineer performance. Set it and forget it. In the lab. Build not bought. Set it.